property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location. Here is some nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 7.4, which is the good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the property is good and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Convenience and offers are available online for this property, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For on description below, if you are facing the kind of problem booking a room in this property,